Silentstep is another innovative noise control product designed for the control of noise between floors in multi-story buildings. Silentstep has been designed to control the sound from impact from footfall, as well as controlling the sound that is generated by human activity. Manufactured from high-grade underlay foam laminated to the unique wave bar noise barrier, the combination of the two materials provides an outstanding result. Easily fitted as with normal carpet underlay, Silentstep underlay is carefully rolled out, cut to size, and then the next piece is fitted next to it. Silentstep is fitted as with normal carpet underlay. There are no special tools or equipment required, and the material is easily cut and fitted around corners and difficult areas. To ensure that Silentstep works to its maximum effect, joins should be taped and gaps should be avoided throughout the laying of the material. To achieve the complete result, stairwells should be treated to control the sound of footfall that is generated from people moving up and down stairways. Stairwells often have a common problem of acting like boomboxes. Silentstep allows you to control this noise. The carpet is then simply laid over the top of the Silentstep and stretched out and laid as with normal carpet, providing a seamless finish.